We go camping. Today my family is going camping at SOC Sun Mountain. I am packing my stuff, including a tent, a sleeping bag, some food and drinks, and first aid kit. We do lots of activities when coming there. First, my father and I unpack our backpack, set up the tent and roast some marshmallows by the camp. During the day, we go exploring to collect some wood stick, go hiking, and see wildlife. In the afternoon, we go canoeing and fishing in the lake nearby. In the evening, it is so fun that we make a fire, roast the fish and sausages. My sister also plays the guitar and my dad tells ghost stories after that. When it gets dark, we can see many stars, we gradually get tired and go into our tent to take a sleep. Hello everyone, my name is Peter. There are 5 people in my house. They are my dad, my mom, my brother, my granny, and me. My mom is short but beautiful. My dad is tall and strong. He sometimes takes me to the park to fly a kite with me. My brother is 10. He likes to play games at the weekends, but he is very good at English. My granny is 80 years old. She often buys me candies and likes to cook noodles with me.